We've got a macrophylla hydrangea right here, and you might be wondering what's happening with it. Why does it have all these dead twigs sticking out above the new growth? So this is due to a late spring freeze that damaged the buds on our old growth. But in the meantime, this plant has begun to shoot out new growth from the crown. So we don't want to look at this through the season. That's completely fine. I want you to know that you can come in with your pruners. You can cut that down into the canopy. You can just go beneath the leaf cover, or you can follow that cane all the way back down to the ground, because there's no life left in this stem, okay? So this is never going to bear leaves or flowers again. And the new growth that's happening right now, this is going to be your primary source for blooms next spring. A fun thing about macrophyllas, some of them have the capability to bloom not only on old wood, but new wood as well. You can see one pink bloom poking out over here on the sides. And next year, assuming that there's no late freeze, this plant's gonna get right back on schedule. We'll have a big spring bloom and then a few more late summer blooms filtered in.